So to get back to this person's question, do I trade the SPYs? Not normally. It's outside of my price range. So let me more directly get to that question because I sidetracked, but it was a good sidetrack. Um, so I got a 2.5 million. I'm trading at 2.5 million now. In the next month and a half, two, maybe that'll go to three and so forth and so on. But right now, for 2.5 million, my sweet spot is 140 to 180. I love that price range for a $2.5 million account. So I can hit that price range up in a concentrated way, right? With 2.5 million. If I go too far above 200,000, I can't hit it up the way I want to hit it up, right? So I have to come down less. Now, that is not always a negative if the volatility change is commensurate with my natural ability to have to play smaller. Some people in this industry, I think that what some people, the skeptics think I trade a fake account because of my size. But guys, because they're used to following people on the freaking internet who have no money, right? Who are not professionals in this industry. So they get so used to that here's this guy who's been trading for 33 years. I've got money to trade with. So they never see that, so that must be fake. But the thing is that these sizes that you see me trade, they're small. Oh my God. My average size used to be my small size was 100,000 share position. That's a small. So I'd vacillate between 100,000, slightly north of 400,000. So for me, 100,000 share position was a one lot. Now I teach my traders a 5-lot system. So for them, a one lot is 100 shares. But for me, a one lot was 100,000 shares. Same concept, just different zeros, right? So they can go up to 5 lots at the lower levels, which is 500 shares, right? That's at the baby level. But I could go up to 500,000 shares, which is a 5 lot at the really professional level. It's still the same concept. It's just different levels, different zeros, right? Also, some people fault me for playing size. Like, dude, I'm a size trader. Like, that's what I do. Like, that's how I make my money. Oliver put $2 million into this stock and made $8,000. Okay. Is that bad? All right. And then he put $1.5 million and made 7,000 here, 8,000 there. Then he made 12,000 there. Then he made 4,000 here. Then he made 5,000 there. All right, so that's bad. So people get sold these really stupid concepts, like, they get sold these concepts like, you shouldn't be making money this way. You should be making money another way. Wait a minute. The goal is to make money. And I do that exceedingly well. Right? And I double my account multiple times per year. And I've been doing this for many years. So I think I'll stay doing what I do, not what you think I should do. Crazy. It's crazy. Crazy world out there.